Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your PC is on but no signal is showing on the computer. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, no signal means that your monitor is now receiving a video signal that it can display. This usually is due to one of the following cases. First case is that the cable going from your computer to your monitor is loose. So, power off the monitor, reattach the cable both end, and power the monitor again. Now, of course, this step doesn't apply if you have a laptop, but in case it doesn't work out, then the second option is that your signal or the graphics card is not sending to your monitor and it cannot be displayed by the monitor. So to do that, we'll need to boot the computer to safe mode. The way we should do that is to restart the computer, and while it's launching, you're going to repeatedly click on F8. The button F8, once you do that, it will show you to the BIOS, where you can simply choose from two options where you can boot it or boot it in safe mode. Once you do it in safe mode, it will start, but in the lowest resolution possible. And to fix that, we're going to go to the settings, and then from here we're going to go to system, and then from here we're going to go to display, and then you're going to choose for the recommended or the highest display that you can choose until that it works out fully. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.